There are many challenges women entrepreneurs are facing right now when it comes to growing a business, such as a lack of access to capital.
You can encourage women to be entrepreneurs, but the funding isn't available for them to take it broader.
Or dealing with Trump's tariffs.
Where we talk to small business owners from coast to coast about President Trump's tariffs. Some, they're happy with them. Many are struggling.
Or having their leadership questioned.
All the men that I was cold calling said this isn't a good idea, I don't get it. I have to pinch myself, but we've done over $100 million in retail sales.
As if that wasn't enough, there is another challenge most women will have to grapple with. And depending on your industry and occupation, it may already be impacting your revenue. Let me explain.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So the companies that got crushed, they're now lining up to partner with Anthropic, and the market is rewarding whoever takes the deal.
Last week, Anthropic, parent company of Claude, dropped a labor market impact report. The goal of the report is to identify the most vulnerable jobs before displacement. This report seems to have thrown the internet into a frenzy. According to this report, many highly educated and highly paid female knowledge workers are about to lose their jobs.
I just got laid off, and I've been grappling with my sudden and unexpected unemployment.
I've been laid off. I don't have a fucking job.
Oh, I'm so I've been unemployed for the better part of a year and a half. More than that, I feel so much trauma and like trust issues.
I was laid off 3 years ago by a very similar corporation to the one doing layoffs today, and that event plus all the stupid decisions I made after is one of the biggest reasons I'm in debt right now.
Getting laid off as a black woman just hits different. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, has said that AI could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs and spike unemployment to 10 to 20% within 1 to 5 years. Jeffrey Hinton, known as the godfather of AI, predicted in late 2025 that 2026 would see AI gain the ability to replace many, many jobs, noting that AI's capability roughly doubles every 7 months. Block, parent company of Square and Cash App, laid off 4,000 out of 10,000 team members in February. And these layoffs were for one reason only. These team members can be replaced by AI. 4.5% of 2025 job loss was attributed to AI, including 78,000 jobs in tech cut just in the first half of 2025. A recent study out of MIT found that artificial intelligence can already replace 11.7% of the US labor market. That is more than 1 in every 10 workers. And it's not just employees losing work. If you are a freelancer or small business owner, you might already be struggling to bring in the same amount of clients that you're used to. You may be seeing less and less clients renew their contracts with you or make the same amount of purchases. While the state of the US economy is impacting some small businesses, there are other industries that are seeing a decline that goes beyond a sluggish economy and can only be explained by the fact that people are using AI for things they used to pay companies or freelancers to do. If you are a female knowledge worker, whether you sell your services to a company, as an employee, or directly to clients like a small business owner, AI is likely going to impact your ability to make money very, very soon, if it isn't already. I realize that this may be scary news, but remember that big market changes also bring big opportunities. The window to pivot is open right now, and the research suggests it won't stay open for long.
CEO Dario Amodei is very public about not only the huge possible benefits of artificial intelligence, but also the potential dangers of artificial intelligence as well.
Let's talk about the industries that are or will soon be hit the hardest. The Anthropic labor report included a radial chart that showed categories of work that are already being done by AI from its own customer usage data, as well as the categories of work that will be performed by AI in the near future. Near future could be very, very near, as in months. When the majority of your job is done by AI, what's left for you to do? This is the most important question you could be asking yourself right now. For freelancers and small businesses in the danger zone categories, the story is the same. A 2026 study from Ramp's Economics Lab tracked actual company spending from 2021 through 2025 and found that more than half of businesses that were spending on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr in 2022 had completely stopped by 2025. Freelance marketplace spending as a share of total business saw an almost 5x decline. Meanwhile, spending on AI, like Claude and ChatGPT, rose from 0% to 2.85% of total company spending over the same period. And the companies who adopted AI the fastest saw a 97% cost reduction by making the switch. Is AI going to deliver as good as an experienced human? Probably not. But when the cost is $20 a month, some businesses will take good enough over excellent. So which small businesses are most in the crosshairs right now? Freelance creative work like copywriting, article writing, basic graphic design, video editing, transcription, and translation is already in free fall. Freelance writing job postings dropped 33% after ChatGPT launched, and translation jobs dropped 19%. Marketing and advertising agencies that sell content volume, SEO blog posts, email sequences, and basic ad management are watching their core revenue streams get automated away. The playbook that worked is being replaced by AI agents that do it cheaper, faster, and around the clock. The through line across all of these is the same. If the core of what you sell is a task or information, AI can do it for close to nothing. We're obviously not going to let AI put us out of business, so what's the play? And that's where you're gonna see more traction and see people responding to your marketing message and see people signing up to become clients more. That area that AI can't do is the area that people want to be in. There is an opportunity hiding inside all of this disruption. The ease with which AI produces has created a lot of noise. Your audience can intuitively sense what was created by AI versus what was created by humans. When the market becomes more flooded with AI content and more automated, the human-powered businesses that show up fully, personally, and with real results become more valuable, not less. So the play is to focus on what's left after AI automates the majority of your job or business and make that the key element of your offerings. The businesses that will not only survive but be in demand will be built around the unique things only humans can offer: judgment and guidance based on lived experience, leadership that pivots in real time in response to what's happening in the room, real relationships, and human connection. Those are the things AI cannot replicate, no matter how good it gets. AI has the potential to be your superpower instead of putting you out of work. In 2025, the Brookings Institution noted that AI may improve worker outcomes by boosting productivity and efficiency, taking over routine or repetitive tasks, and allowing humans to focus on strategic thinking, creativity, or interpersonal interactions. This means that by adopting AI in your business or work, you can increase the amount of time you have to focus on the purely human aspects of your work. The freelancers and small businesses that grow will be those spending the majority of their time doing high judgment, relationship intensive, or deeply creative work, brand strategy, executive coaching, complex copywriting with a distinctive voice, and anything requiring trust or accountability. In this chart, Ethan James showcases how AI can actually be an amplifier of your high-level work. And if your work is currently not high-level, forget gatekeepers and start seeing yourself as high-level. Give yourself a promotion. Otherwise, the potential to see your work become obsolete is high. I would go so far as to say inevitable. If you're a woman in traditional knowledge work employment, start a side hustle where you can begin offering high-level human-powered work. This will allow you to create a financial safety net while beginning the career pivot that is absolutely necessary right now.
Hi, my name is Rachel Rogers, and I'd like to welcome you to the very first episode of Rachel Rogers TV. Thanks so much for joining me.
All of the business advice that I have been giving for the past decade has just become even more true and more urgent. Stop charging hourly for deliverables. That includes done-for-you services and include your advice, guidance, judgment, and taste in the package. It's not just about time and task. Now it's about results that are actually good. Serve one ideal client with one solution or offer and become the best in the world at doing that specific thing for that specific person. You do not need a value stack like some experts have been teaching for years, where one offer leads to another offer leads to another offer. I have always hated that. You need one highly profitable offer that delivers on a high-level result. The rest of what you do might be automated or free with AI. Focus on the parts that can't be. How do you make sure they know you are the best? Lead with your personality, your unique voice, your writing style, your presentation style, your likeness on videos, etc. The days of hiding behind our expertise, like so many women do, are over. Continuing to hide is going to cost you big. So write that newsletter, deliver YouTube videos, create content on social media that is directly from you. Your ideas, your point of view, your interpretation of data, your delivery, your vibe, your opinion, your taste is a huge part of the value. And don't use AI for this key human part of your business. Use AI as a research assistant to generate different social posts of your original content, as a brainstorming partner, but not for the original. Build community always. Community is not replaceable by AI. It is a core human need that we all have. Relationships are so much of what makes life worth living. Make sure your business is a conduit for community and bring people together, especially in person, as often as possible. In-person events and physical products will always be AI-proof. This will ensure you stay in business. If what I just shared resonated with you, I want to personally invite you to Future Proof. This is a one-day virtual workshop where we are going to rebuild your offer, rebuild your marketing, and build out your complete 90-day plan so your business is positioned to win in this economy, not the one from 3 years ago. This is not a watch and take notes situation. You are going to do the actual work in real time with me and my team right there with you. Spots are limited to 50 women. The link below this video will show you the next available date and exactly how to claim your spot. The women who come out of this moment stronger are the ones who decide to move now. And I want you on the other side of it. Go grab your spot and I'll see you in the room. While many say the economy is too terrible to grow, clients of mine are taking action and seeing results.
I was able to see the clarity of how I was supposed to set up my organization. Becoming a part of the mastermind has been more dynamic than anything I've done.
Rachel helped me get another million. I could quantifiably say that. And then I could say she cleaned up the millions to come.
Within 30 days, I actually made like the 10K and had a bunch of other contacts for follow-ups.
I did 10K in 10 days.
They give you the framework, they give you exactly what you need to do, and all you have to do is believe and show up.
The AI information, the team building, the fact that it has essentially sort of really kept up with what's happening in the world right now and has adapted for that has been a game changer.
Right before I joined, I was at 500,000, our business, and then in December, I was told that I made 963.
Go to hello7.co/future.